Good morning everyone, I'm Celine. Welcome to my live show. Today's life is very fast, right? And more people would rather to move to the countryside than live in the city. When they decorate their house, they prefer to choose something cozy or something close to nature. So today I want to talk to you our nature clock, this one. It is made of wood. From the video you can see it is made of wood. The case and the back, it is made of wood, solid wood, and it is very close to nature. And we have different size for your shoes. This one is 12 inch and this one is 10 inch. And from the background you can see we have different design and different size. This one is 10 inch and this one is 12 and the above one is 14 inch. You can, according to your room's size, to choose different size to decorate your room. And we have different material of the dial, as you can see from the video or from the table. This one is PVC. If you choose PVC dial, you can make it different color or different design you want. Like we make the white design, which is very simple. But it is hard sale because it's simple to meet any style of your room. But if your room is very colorful, you can choose like this one. These two, the green one, the different color. According to your room, you can choose any color, any design you want to make. And also we have the turf, this one, turf dial, which is very special. It looks like real grass, and if you put this one in your room, it will make your room look very lively. And we have some customers, they do football topic when they see this clock. The idea of the football field comes to their mind, so we have them to make the football field clock. This one, you can see it is very special. So if you have some great idea you want to make, you can send us the artwork so we can help you to make it come true. Okay, this is the second dial face, and we have this one. This is the wood case and the wood dial, which makes them more fit each other. So you can choose. According to your room's style, you can choose different material, like the simple one PVC or the wood one. It's richer, actually. It was very richer. And if you want to make your room very lovely, you can choose this one. And about the number, we can print the number on the PVC inside the PVC dial. So we have the other way you can print the number on the glass, which is very special, and is the clock very simple and richer. You can have different number. This is the simple number and golden number, which is okay. So this is today's clock I want to talk to you. It's very simple, but it's very nice. And if you want to make your home different or vivid, lovely, you can have this one. This is today's live show, and if you want to know more about this work, this clock, you can click the link to know more about the details or send us the instant message. We will reply you immediately. Thank you for watching. See you next show. Bye bye. 哇，漏讲了什么？我看一下。